Do a right turn then, please, at the roundabout. We're going to do some tricky little busy roads. How does that sound?
Sounds good.
Where you've got to meet oncoming traffic, possibly.
Alright, okay. No one's got a signal. What is this?
That's it. Well done.
It's the worst when nobody puts their signal on because you don't know if they're going straight or...
It's only when it's only when they get at the roundabout and they're turning the wheel that you can recognise it, isn't it? And that just takes time. You've got to be patient. We're taking the next right turn, please.
Okay.
The only thing I'll say is there's lots of parked cars on this road.
Right, okay.
So you just got to not rush it and just look at the road as further as you can to see if anything's coming up the road that's going to be affected. Yeah.
Well, there is a lot of parked cars, my God.
And what you're looking for is right down the hill where it bends to the left, the road. Look for reflections on the car panels for anything coming up the hill.
Yeah, something.
So what we're going to do now?
Take this.
Yeah, do the safe bit here.
Yeah, the bigger bit.
Make it easy on yourself every time. And then just get yourself forward more. And that way if anyone's behind you, and then just...
You can slide as well.
Yeah. And then start checking behind you, see what's going on. Because if anyone behind you wouldn't be aware of them. Have a look at the road.
Not even a thank you. Oh, there's another one coming up. I'll be patient.
And also what things you consider also, if there's no space on our side, is there space on their side as well? Because you can see on the right there, there's 2 spaces. So if you were coming down here now, and they yeah, exactly, yeah, they've got to go in their space.
If another one comes up, I'm taking my chance. Oh, there's someone behind me.
So you're slotting in behind you now.
Yeah.
Get yourself ready. And also black car's reversing, see in the mirror?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, keep an eye on him.
Okay. Is that a taxi? Taxis have their own rules.
I
don't
can't tell. Maybe it's a taxi
they? It
without a
looks like
thing
a
on.
car that would be a taxi.
Yeah, it was a bit cheeky then, wasn't it? But that's why you got to keep an eye on it.
Keep an eye on the mirrors.
Yeah.
Big speed bumps.
Because if you don't check before you pull out, you're going to get caught out by someone who's rushing. Now, see, he's pulling over there. He might open the door on him.
There
See?
you go.
You can anticipate things, can't you?
Mm-hmm. Starting to learn what
Is a
do.
delivery driver is delivering.
Oh, right.
That's what it
So
is.
they've got their own rules of the road.
Yeah. He might as well be a white van driver,
Yeah.
mightn't he? He's got the same colour car.
So if anyone comes around now, it's going to be their port of call to go into the left, I think.
Yeah, they've got a big gap in there.
Because they've got quite a few small ones that
Yeah.
I don't think I'm ready to go into.
The only time you might consider going into the left more if it's a big truck,
Mm-hmm.
and you're thinking, well, it's not big enough for him. So what do you think of that road then?
It was certainly a challenge if there was more cars coming along than that.
So should we
Delivery driver.
turn around and go back up it
Mm-hmm.
and try it from this direction?
Yeah.
So if we go right at the end of the road, he's going to open the door.
Alright.
And
Right at the end of the road, did you say?
Right at the end of the road, yeah.
Okay.
Please.
Oh. Slow down and stop because I don't know if there's anything.
That's good.
My blind spot was there, so I couldn't see properly.
That's good. Well done. And we're taking the next left turn.
The next one, so this
Yeah.
one now.
Yeah. And there's usually parked cars in here as well,
Alright.
just to make it a little bit hard.
Where are you going? You're just going straight.
It-
Don't come across.
Look right up the road, Millie, for anything going to cause a problem for you. Just like you are now, second gear, you're doing 15, 16 miles an hour. It's probably about right speed. And the next left turn, where that blue, black and white cars are. And look beyond the white car.
Just like that.
That's it. Excellent. Because if you're not looking what's coming, you'll end up driving somewhere.
Oh,
Oops, little stall.
it's the first time I've done that today.
Yeah.
That's alright.
Just recheck your mirrors.
Balance.
Make sure everything's fine.
That's better.
That's it. Because you're at a funny angle at that stall then, so you want to make sure what's going on around you. And a left at the end of it,
Into this one here.
at the end.
Oh, at the end.
End of the road, turn left, sorry. always
Somebody
the
said
first.
it recognise it.
Always the first.
Nothing coming nice and easy to see.
So them pillars on the right and left on these little side roads can be a pain, can't they?
Yeah, they make like an extra blind spot for you.
Yeah. And a left at the end of the road, please.
Oh no, I do recognise where we are. This is where the speed camera is.
It is, yeah. Speed camera's on the right. Oh, it's on the left, isn't it? I'm getting mixed up myself in.
Big gap because it's quite a slow road.
And taking the next left turn.
This one in.
Yes, please. Try and get your mirrors done before he signals.
I just noticed that one. Got to be careful about where these people are going as
Watch this
well.
guy here. He's going to step out. See? Let's carry on.
Don't we love that?
Yeah. The way he was going then,
Like, he wasn't looking, so I was not going to risk anything.
yeah, he wasn't going to the point where the path would cross and a right turn. He actually went straight across the grass then, didn't he?
See, it's nice little things like that that are fun to catch on camera as well, to know what it's like.
Yeah. I mean, people could say, well, you should be giving way to him because he's at a junction. Well, he wasn't actually at the junction. He was cutting across the grass.
I'm pretty sure I saw a car. Yeah, I did, but they are not moving, so that's going to be a fun challenge when we get to it.
Keep going. See, at the moment he's
Yeah.
waiting for you. And you've got a bike ahead of him as well.
It's nice to keep it slow.
Yeah. They deserve the waiting, don't they? Like,
Can't tell if they're waiting for me or just waiting.
right. Well, they're being nice to you.
Disappeared. Oh, they were being nice.
Yeah.
I was going to be nice to them.
So we've got the same problem, opposite way.
Mm-hmm.
So we're looking for space for us and also space for a car that turns up.
Like that.
That's it.
And we are half on a speed bump.
But you're on the right side of it now, you see.
Yep.
So which means that you're not going to roll backwards, you're going to go forwards.
Yeah, good thing about being on it is I'm perfectly balanced on it.
So these sort of roads, there'll be people saying,
Thank you. How rude.
yeah. I think where I grew up in Manchester, these sort of roads like this. And then just look for reflections on the car panels.
Yeah, that's all I can do.
It is a difficult one because you can't really see.
On the bend, you can't see.
Yeah.
If anything comes around, it's going to be their point of call to stop, I think.
Yeah.
But it's nice and quiet. There's some little gaps that I could go into,
Yeah.
but
We're going to come to a crossroads and we're going to cross over. Crossroads, is that
not
right?
crossroads anymore.
And it's not any type of crossroads, it's special crossroads.
Oh, good.
You can tell me what's special about it.
I can try.
Anything you notice yet? Well, there's a crossroads in front of you. What's different about it?
I can see a sign saying oncoming traffic, but I'm just sure.
What's the red sign telling you? What's the stuff on the ground telling you?
Ah, stop, so I have to stop it.
It's a stop sign, yeah. So you've got to stop at the crossroads, no matter how.
No matter how busy it is.
Yeah.
Even if it's dead of night.
Yeah. You've got to stop at the line and come to a complete stop. That's it, yeah.
Right, someone coming that way, but they're turning. Nothing coming that way, so we're good to go. So I saw the give way line and I was like, yeah, that's normal. And then I saw the stop written on the floor.
Solid white line, give way, isn't it? It's give way, stop line.
Okay.
Keep going
Now
forward.
we've hit a
Let him
bit
go in
of
that
a
gap. See? Pop it in first. And just take your time. I think you can just about make that.
Yeah. Don't want to
Little
mouth
right
it.
turn. There you go. Squeeze past that curve, isn't it? See, the thing is, that's the best you can do at that point.
There was nowhere for me to go in on the left.
No.
Unless I mounted the curb.
And he's got a gap on the right, so he's got to go into it a bit to get so he can get through. We're going to turn right at the end of it, please. Are you checking the mirrors in? Good. Because I couldn't see. I'm going to check back on that video and check. See
I
if
promise I checked those ones. You can watch my eyes.
I'll zoom into the video and see.
How busy are we looking? Nothing. Nice.
Don't stop on the crossing.
Keep going past it.
That's it, yeah. Either stop before or after it, but don't stop on the
Don't
crossing.
stop on it because it can obstruct others.
So in busy traffic, stop before the crossing. And we're just going to follow the road ahead. At the next mini roundabout, we're going to go left. It's this one coming up here.
Okay.
And have a look at the road you're going to go into. See all the cars?
It's busy. by the
So,
looks of it.
be
Not
careful.
busy, but just
Careful, have a look beyond them.
nice.
If you're enjoying Millie, struggling, or not struggling, what did you think you're struggling or doing right? What do you reckon?
I think it's a learning moment. So there's some points where I'm struggling, but getting through
Yeah.
them nicely.
I suppose that's a bit harsh saying struggling, wasn't I?
Well, there are points where I have been, but we're getting there.
It's tough roads. If you're enjoying it and you're thinking you're learning something from her, watching what she's doing, then give it a thumbs up and put a comment, encouragement for Millie to,
I'll look through them.
yeah. And at the end of the road, we're going to turn right, please.
All right.
They are difficult roads.
Lots of hills as well around here.
Yeah.